Keeping the black trim on a car clean and shiny makes the vehicle look better and protects it from damage. Over time, black trim can fade, collect dirt, or develop white stains. Here are some simple methods to clean and protect black trim on a car. Dish soap is a simple and effective way to clean black trim on a car, removing dirt and grime for a fresh, polished look. Dip a soft sponge or microfiber cloth into the soapy water and gently scrub the black trim. This removes dirt, dust, and grime. Then, wipe the trim clean with a soft cloth, leaving it refreshed and tidy. This method works well for regular maintenance and light cleaning. White vinegar is a powerful and natural cleaner, known for its ability to remove stains, odors, and grime from various surfaces. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle and shake well. Spray the solution onto the black trim, focusing on dirty or faded areas. Use a soft cloth to wipe it clean, removing dirt and restoring the trim's look. Rinse with water if needed. Car Trim Cleaner is a product designed to clean and restore black trim, removing dirt and grime for a fresh look. Armor All Outlast Car Trim and Plastic Cleaner is a powerful cleaner that removes dirt, grime, and stains from trim and plastic surfaces. It helps restore the original look while providing a protective layer against fading. Easy to apply, it keeps your car's trim looking fresh and clean. Trim Restorer is a specialized product designed to restore and protect the color of faded black trim, giving it a clean, glossy finish. Car Guys Plastic Restorer is a high-quality product designed to restore and protect plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces on your car. It brings back a deep, rich color to faded black trim and adds a protective layer against UV damage. Easy to apply, it leaves a long-lasting, glossy finish that keeps your car looking new. Ceramic Trim Coat protects black trim from UV damage and dirt, giving it a sleek, shiny finish. The Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit is a high-performance solution designed to restore and protect black trim. It provides a durable, long-lasting ceramic coating that resists UV rays, water, and dirt. Easy to apply, it leaves a glossy, like new finish that enhances the appearance and longevity of your car's trim. By using these methods and products, you will restore, protect, and maintain your car's black trim for a clean, polished appearance.